Hi, I'm Cameron from Ultimate Floor Care, and today we're going to be cleaning our office wooden floor with the Bona Premium Spray Mop. When you receive the Bona Premium Spray Mop, it will come in a box like this. Today we're going to be using the version for lacquered floors because we have a pre-finished lacquer floor. It also comes in an oil version for your oiled floor, but we'll talk about that in another video. But today we're just going to use the lacquered version of the Bona Premium Spray Mop. In the kit you'll have what you see in front of you here. So we have the handle, the base, the clean solution, and then the microfiber pad. First thing we're going to do is we're going to clip this head onto the handle. So here you'll see you have a U section, and on here you have a spigot for it to fit into. So we're just going to push that onto there. Connected. Next thing, we're going to use this microfiber mop that's got a velcro back in and just velcro it on top. And then we're going to get the clean solution and we're going to clip it in to the holder here. We're going to take the top of it, just give it a twist, lift it off. This bit in first. Slide it in, push it till it clicks. There you go. So this mop here can be used for routine cleaning as well as stubborn marks on the floor. If we're looking at a stubborn mark, for instance, we've got this mark here. What I'll do is I'll spray on it, I'll leave it to dry while I'm doing the rest of the floor and then come back and give it a scrub. So on here you have the trigger mechanism, so we're just going to pull it and it will spray the cleaner in front of us. So I'm just going to spray in front of there, leave that to dry while I do the rest of the floor. So now that's dry, what we've done is we've followed the process of we've dusted, but in this case we've vacked, we've sprayed, we've mopped, and then we've left it to dry. If we look on the floor, we've taken a lot of the horrible stuff that was on it and all the marks, but we still have some scratches, some indentations in the floor. So this floor looks like it's going to need to be sanded and sealed. From the Bona range, I need to sand and seal this floor, so which one of these would you like to see on our office floor? Let us know in the comments below and we'll make a video on sanding and sealing this with your choice of Bona products.